Welcome back, guys. I have a friend who I have been advising on cryptocurrencies since earlier this year. He wanted to get involved. He wanted to know, what steps to take. So when I have somebody who asks me about that, I always point them to Coinbase. It is quick, it is easy, it is as safe as crypto gets. And it's easy to deposit fiat currency and get crypto, whether it be Bitcoin or Ethereum. I usually advise toward the larger caps, but now he has made it past that phase. Memes have been going crazy and he is seeing that all over social media and he wants to get involved. So with a Coinbase account, there's very little opportunity for you to enter the more degenerate plays like meme coins, the projects who have just launched, where you have the potential to see those 100x and 1000x gains. So I figured I would make a quick video on launching your first browser wallet. We're going to do MetaMask. It's probably the most popular. The same steps apply to a Phantom wallet or a Kepler wallet or a Leap wallet. So let's get into it. All right, the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the right-hand side of your browser. It's the same with every browser. So Google has 3 dots. I think Brave has, the 3 lines. Basically, it would lead to your setting. If you click on those, you'll get the drop down. You'll see your histories, your bookmarks, your downloads, and there should be a tab called extensions. And we want to manage extensions. Here, they list all of the extensions that you currently have downloaded to your browser. What we want to do is come over here to discover more extensions and themes on the web store. The link to this may be located in a different place depending on what browser you're using, but it's pretty much the same. So when we click that, we can come up here and actually search and you'll see MetaMask. I currently already have it installed, but if you didn't, you would just click here, come up to either add to Chrome or add to Brave. So once you have that installed, you're going to want to come up here to this little puzzle piece that says extensions, and we want to pin MetaMask to our browser, and you'll start to see it up here. Okay, it's going to ask you to agree to the terms, create a new wallet, help us improve. They want to basically gather your information. No thanks. Now we're going to create a password. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to see a video pop up, and it's just a quick little tutorial on how to secure your wallet. So I highly suggest you watch this video if you have never had experience with browser wallets before. There's so many scams and ways that people can take your information and get into your wallet. Any steps you can take to minimize that risk, I suggest you take. So then we want to go to secure my wallet. So this is a 12-word phrase that's kind of randomly generated by MetaMask, and it is the only way to get back in your wallet should you ever lose your device or lose your cell phone. So what we want to do is save it in a password manager or store it in a safety deposit box or write it down and store it in multiple secret places. Never ever keep it online. Never ever keep it on, the desktop of your computer. You just never know. Once you're ready and you've got a pen and a pad to write this down, you can click here, reveal secret recovery phrase. I'm going to skip past this part. All right, so next it's going to quiz you and make sure that you wrote down your secret recovery phrase. And basically it gives you that same list of 12 words, only there will be a few missing and you need to go in and fill in the blanks. All right, so once you are done, you should come to this screen here, wallet creation successful. Again, it just gives you a few other warnings on, MetaMask can't recover your seed phrase. MetaMask will never ask you for your secret recovery phrase, and never share your secret recovery phrase with anybody or risk your funds being stolen. Your MetaMask install is complete. All right, so now it's going to ask you to log in with the password that you created. So anytime you do this, they basically give you all of the recent updates. Right now, they have an announcement that it's the open beta of MetaMask Snaps. We're not going to get into that. It's a little bit more advanced, but you can, if you'd like to learn more, click the Learn More button. So Ethereum has the highest gas fees because it is not scalable, meaning the more people use it, the more congested it gets, and the more money it costs for you to do things like swaps and other transactions. Because of that, we have many chains called L2s or layer 2s that have built themselves on Ethereum, but they operate on a second layer, causing the gas to be much, much cheaper. Also, the transactions are faster. Arbitrum is one of the most popular, so I'm going to show you how to add Arbitrum to your wallet so that you don't have to deal with those high Ethereum gas fees. So this is a website called chainlist.org. And here we have a list of just about every chain that exists. So what we can do is come up here to search networks and put ARB, and it should come up to the top. All you have to do here, once you've connected your wallet, is to add to MetaMask. And it's going to tell you, do we want to switch to Arbitrum? You say yes. And now that we have Arbitrum added to our wallet, we need to send some Ethereum to it so that we have the gas tokens to transact on the network. Now you can take that address and go back to whatever centralized exchange that you are using, whether it be Coinbase or Binance, and you can send that Ethereum to this wallet so that you have funds. All right, and once you have done that, I only sent a few dollars to this wallet. This will probably just be a burner wallet that I never use again. Wanted to show you CoinGecko because this is a great tool for kind of navigating the crypto universe. And here you can explore cryptocurrencies by the market cap, or by the category, or by the different chains. Let's go to categories. Okay, so here you can see basically all of the categories of different types of crypto projects. Here are your meme coins. I highly suggest if you're fresh to MetaMask that you don't jump right into meme coins. Learn a little bit. Take some time and learn, because you can lose all of your money very fast. So here's NFTs. We've got governance tokens. GameFi is a big one. AI tokens is going to be a great narrative this bull run. Metaverse was one of the largest narratives last bull run. Okay, and you'll see number 19. So this is a list of all of the decentralized exchanges where you can swap for some of those lower cap tokens here. We're going to go right to Uniswap. Okay, so Uniswap is the largest decentralized exchange. You can find their website right here, uniswap.org. We can come over to Uniswap and we want to go to Launch App. So if a decentralized exchange supports more than one chain, it will have a list somewhere at the top like this, where you can scroll down and you can select what chain you want to use. We want to use Arbitrum, so I am just going to select the ARB token here just to show you how a swap works. So I am going to do that here. I just want to purchase one ARB token. That's $1.83, and we want to come to swap. This screen comes up. You're going to want to confirm your swap. You'll see your wallet pop up. You want to confirm that in your wallet, and that's it. Swap submitted. So if you swapped for tokens and you know that they are in this wallet but they're not showing up, we need to add a custom token to our wallet. So what we can do is come back to CoinGecko and we can search the ARB token. And if you scroll down, you will see the contract located right here. So we want to copy that contract, and then we want to open our MetaMask here up in our browser. If you come to tokens here, you can import a token, and you just paste that contract right in, and you'll see I have one ARB token here. I'm going to import it, so now it shows up. So that is it, guys. You are on your way. I want to show you one more site that I use religiously. I went over this in another video. It's called Defillama, and here you have a list of all of the chains, and if you click on that chain, it will give you a list of all of the projects on each chain. That's all I got for you guys. Happy hunting. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.